it is essential that you build your class schedule before your registration access date. To do this, you will use the class search to find out when the classes that you want to take will be offered. You can access the class search from the usask.ca homepage in the Current Students menu or through the Registration channel in PAUSE. If you use the class search in PAUSE, you will have access to more advanced search options. In the Registration channel, select Search for Classes and choose the term you want to register for. You can use the basic search to search by subject and campus. Or, if you choose, you can select Go to Advanced Search to access more detailed search options. Using the basic search, select a subject from the list and the campus where you plan to study. You will see a list of different course options for that subject. Remember that 100-level classes are those most commonly taken in first year. Choose a course from the list that you're interested in taking and click View Sections to see the different course offerings available for that term. When reading through your class search results, there are some key fields that you should notice. The days of the week and the time that the class is offered will be important for building your schedule. Note that MWF stand for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, while T and R stand for Tuesday and Thursday. You should also check the capacity for the class and the number of seats that are still available. The CRN, or course reference number, is also very important. Each individual offering of a class is assigned a specific CRN, and this number is what you will use to register. When building your schedule, make sure that you write this number down. In your class search results, you can also click the CRN to access more detailed and expanded information about each class, including whether there are any prerequisites for the course or whether the class is restricted in certain colleges or programs, or whether any seats are reserved. Seats in some classes may be reserved for students in particular programs. If these seats are not filled, they will be released later in the summer. If a tutorial, lab, or seminar is required for a class, your options for these will also be displayed directly below the lecture section in your class search results. You can view the tutorials, labs, or seminars required for a class by clicking the You must also register in additional classes at the same time link. Remember that you must register for both a lecture section and a lab or tutorial section at the same time, so make sure to add both to your schedule. A few classes at the University of Saskatchewan extend over both terms. These will have the attribute first half of a multi-term class. When you register for this class in the fall term, you will automatically be registered for the second half in the winter term, so make sure to include this in your schedule for both terms. Begin plotting classes in your class schedule worksheet, ensuring that you write down the course name and number and the CRN for each class that you choose. You may want to work through a couple of drafts to make sure you arrive at a schedule you are happy with. And remember to build a backup schedule or prepare a list of alternate class options in case one or more of the classes you have selected is already full when you try to register.